Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 34 points, that is 0.04%, and settled at 79,441 points. Nifty 50 is down by 18 points, that is 0.07%, and settled at 24,123 points. Bank Nifty is down by 406 points, that is 0.77%, and settled at 52,168 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 437 points, that is 0.78%, and settled at 55,854 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 84 points, that is 0.45%, and settled at 18,509 points. HCL Technologies and IBM today announced a new collaboration to establish a generative AI center of excellence based on the IBM Watson's AI and data platform. The Center of Excellence, which will be available through HCLTech's AI and cloud-native labs in Noida, London and New Jersey and Santa Clara in the US, will help enterprises modernize legacy applications, develop IT service management use cases, reduce coding complexity, improve skill development on the IBM Watson's platform, and enable continuous innovation. With this positive news, HCL Tech share reacted positively in today's session. DCX Systems saw its shares surge by 16% to reach a record high of 440 rupees each early today, following a major development. The company announced securing a substantial order worth 1,250 crore rupees from Larsen & Toubro Limited. This order, disclosed in a filing on Monday, involves the manufacture and supply of electronic modules. This achievement marks DCX Systems' second significant win in less than 2 weeks. Previously, it had secured an order valued at 33.2 crore rupees for the supply of cable and wire harness assemblies to both domestic and overseas clients. DCX Systems specializes in system integration and manufactures a diverse range of cables, wire harness assemblies, and kits. It has gained recognition as an Indian offset partner for foreign original equipment manufacturers, particularly in the aerospace and defense sectors. On Tuesday, the shares of Larsen & Toubro soared up to 3% at 3,634 rupees per share on the BSE in intraday trade. According to reports, the construction major bagged a mega work orders worth 30,000 crore rupees or $4 billion from Saudi Aramco. Saudi Aramco has awarded contracts totaling $25 billion for engineering, procurement, and construction works along with other services for 2 significant gas expansion programs. Today most of the paper stocks like Andhra Paper, West Coast Paper, JK Paper are reacted positively in today's session. Paper board has increased prices between 2,500 to 5,000 rupees per metric ton. Duplex board prices rise between 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per metric ton. Higher RM costs and reduced availability of critical ingredients. A report from ratings agency ICRA expects the industry to report revenue growth between 6% and 9% in the current financial year, aided by commercialization of increased capacity. However, it expects debt levels to remain elevated in the near term due to the ongoing and upcoming debt-funded capex, mostly towards capacity expansion in the packaging segment for a few companies. Tata Consultancy Services has announced its title partnership of the Sydney Marathon, Australia's largest marathon. TCS now sponsors 14 global running events with participation from over 600,000 runners. The TCS Sydney Marathon, presented by ASICS, is the latest addition to a portfolio of global running events sponsored by TCS, including 4 World Marathon major races in New York, London, Chicago and Boston, alongside marathons in Amsterdam, Mumbai, Singapore and Toronto, a release said. Godrej Properties Limited company said it sold over 2,000 homes worth over 3,150 crore rupees in its project, Godrej Woodscapes, located in Whitefield Budigere Cross, Bangalore. GPL in an exchange filing said this is company's most successful launch ever in terms of the value and volume of sales achieved and is the second launch with 3,000 crore rupees sales in the past 3 months. With the success of Godrej Woodscapes, Godrej Properties Limited has achieved over 500% quarter-on-quarter growth in sales in Bangalore and surpassed its full-year FY24 sales in South India within the first quarter. Company said in a press release. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. As per ET Now, Swadesh Connect's Microsystems target to bring 4,500 tracks into Kavach system. Nearly 30% increase in Kavach system. With this positive news, stock locked in 5% upper circuit in today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.